Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be explaining what is SoC and how does it work. So without any further delay, let's hop in. Alright guys, so SoC stands for System on Chip. Now a lot of people think that SoC and processor are actually the same. Well, it's actually not like that. So in computers, we generally call the CPU as processor, whereas SoC actually contains the CPU, GPU, NPU, ISP, DSP, RAM, and a little bit more in one PCB only. So in SoC, the CPU, it is just one part of it. Now you must be thinking, yo, where is SoC actually used? Well, you'll find them in smartphones, tablets, and even smartwatches. Now let me get a little in depth and explain all the points of the SoC. So first up, let's talk about CPU. So CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. So the CPU is the brain of the computer. It is responsible for executing the code and running the application. Now generally the CPU, it is divided into different cores like 4 cores, 8 cores, etc. And next up, let's talk about the GPU. So GPU stands for Graphic Processing Unit. So whenever you play games, all the graphics, the rendering of all that is taken care by the GPU. And well, next up, let's talk about ISP or Image Signal Processor. So what the ISP is responsible to do is whenever we take a photo via our smartphone, it gathers data via digital information. Now once it's done that and gathered enough data, it basically enhances the image, like reduces the noise, increases the sharpness. Apart from that, increases the contrast, saturation, and basically it makes the photo look good. Now a good way to define ISP is whenever we take a photo in night mode, you must have seen that generally there is a lot of processing. It makes the photo brighter, sharper, and increases the contrast and all that. Well, all that is done by the ISP or the Image Signal Processor. Well, next up, let's talk about the DSP or the Digital Signal Processor. So this is basically responsible for all the mathematical calculations, like for example the gyroscope sensor that generally requires a lot of mathematical calculations involved. So the DSP, it takes care of that as well. Well, next up, let's talk about the NPU or the Neural Processing Unit. So this has everything to do regarding AI. So for example, if we open our phone, we switch to the selfie camera, it tells us the age and all that, right? Well, all that it is calculated by the NPU. Now to give you all another example, if we point our camera towards a food item, it detects it as a food item, right? So all these AI related tasks is done by the NPU. Now moving on, then the next point is regarding the RAM or random access memory. So most of you already know what RAM does, but for those of you who do not know, so for example, there are a lot of apps running in the background of your phone. So the RAM, it will actually keep it there. It will not kill the app, so you can actually resume where you were in that particular application. And last but certainly not the least is regarding the modem. So the modem is responsible for converting all the wireless signals into data. So it has a huge role to play when it comes to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 4G, 5G, etc. And yeah, all in all, this has a super important role to play with the SoC. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you all in my next one. Peace out.